exercise 2.1, the problem number 4. Look at the problem. Here it's given central angle is 45 degree, R is 16 centimeter. We want to find length of arc, area of the sector and perimeter of the sector. So we want to find these three things. For these three we have the formulas. Okay, that length of arc is here and area is here and perimeter is here. Okay, straight away we can substitute in the formula. See here, for L is nothing but theta by 360 into 2 pi r equal to theta is 45 degree divided by 360 degree into 2 into that pi is given there. Already it's given 3.14. So you can write this as 3.14 into r is given already, that is 16. Okay, and then I can cancel everything like this. Here by pi table 9 times, here 7 2 times and here 8 times and then here 1, this is 2. Okay, so if you multiply this, that's 4 into this 3.14. If you multiply this, we can get 6 centimeter. So this is a length only. So we can get the answer like this, 125.6 centimeter. Okay, and then we want to find the area. That area formula is here, theta by 360 into pi r square, square units. So write down the formula first. That theta by 360 degree into pi r square equal to theta is 45 degree by 360 into pi value is given already into r is 16 into 16. Okay, so if you simplify everything, you can get by here, even here also I can cancel the here and here. This is 8 times, here 2 times, that's all, and then multiply with this. If you multiply everything there, we can get 48 centimeter square. So this is the answer. This is the area of this given sector. Okay, and then the third one we want to find the perimeter. That formula for perimeter is the L plus 2R. Okay, so we can write down the formula first. L plus 2R is equal to, what is L? We already found this one. Okay, so that is, so okay, this is 12 point something. Here 12.56 plus 2 into 16 is equal to 12.56 plus, this is 32. If we add these two, we can get 44. This much of centimeter. So 44.56 centimeter. So that from the central angle and the radius, we found the values by using the formulas here. Okay. Fifth problem. Here length of arc is 48 meter, radius is 10 meter. Find the area of the sector. We want to find the area of the sector. So length of arc is 48 meter, radius is 10 meter and we want to find the area of the sector. So we have two formulas for finding the area. The first one is if theta is given, that is the central angle. If the central angle is given, we have to use this formula. If the length of arc is given, we have to use this formula. So A equal to LR by 2. Okay. So now I am going to use this formula LR by 2 square units. So write down the formula first. Okay, so A equal to L is 48 into R is 10 divided by 2. So I can cancel these two, so that A equal to 220 meter square. R square meter. So A is 220 meter square. Okay. Sixth problem. Here in the problem, area is given. Area is 462 centimeter square and radius is 21 centimeter. Okay. So here area is given already. Radius is given. We want to find the central angle. Okay. So in that formula area, we have two formulas. In that two formulas, in which one we have the central angle? The first formula. So we want to take this first formula. That area is already given in the problem itself. Okay. So we have to equate that value to the formula. Okay. Write down the formula first. That area is nothing but, we are using this formula because we are going to find the central angle, that is theta, into pi r square equal to this 462. Okay, and then this r is given in the problem, that is 21. Substitute that. So theta by 360 degree into pi value is given in the book already, 22 by 7 into r is 21 into 21 equal to 462. Just we substitute the value for r. We want to find this central angle theta. Keep as it is. For other things we have to substitute and equate to the area. Okay, and then we can cancel these things here. And then even here 1 times 120, and then again I can cancel 4, 0, here 7. Okay, I can take all the remaining thing to the other side. So keep theta here itself, theta degree equal to this 462 into, here this 40 is there, 40 divided by this 22 and 7. 22 into 7. It must be taken to the as the reciprocal that side. So and then we can cancel easily there. Okay, and then here 1 time, this is 3. So 3 into 40 is 120 degree. So that angle, central angle is 120 degree. Okay.